Ay, nasa Demon 1.
PT3 tatlo dito.
Oo, si Demon 1 ako,
Actually,
tsaka
for
si,
today,
ano,
can you be
si,
fake?
nasa party 1 ni Mugi.
You guys
Okay,
be
okay.
Yung out. Si Miroku ba yun? Si
Yung
Miro?
Mark Baragi already. Baragi same build as me.
Nasa party 2, sino yung dalawang out na nasa party 2?
Then charge ba ako?
Si Ryue, tsaka,
Guard rune.
Kami
Kami
ni
na.
Ryue.
Blink po.
Miro at Ryue
Yeah.
kami.
Miro,
So
Ryue.
basically,
Sino nasa party 1?
Judy Helmet, Blink, E.
Wala kasing shits eh. Dati balik na nila yung shits eh.
Yeah, get ready on the gate.
Gets ang utak di na.
Yo, third party on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Third party on the gate. Everyone on the gate. Headbutt 5. Full gauge 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt on the gate. Headbutt on the gate. Come back.
Mukhang isa lang nag-Demon dun ah. Ako na, sige.
Kay Brim.
Punta na ako dun
Okay,
Demon.
may demon pa ako.
Oh, putang ina.
Sino yun?
Cooldown na yung demon ko ah. Cooldown na yung demon ko. Yung
Bang
guard
ba natin
roll
yun?
nyo.
Wait, baragi
Hindi ko alam eh.
May papasok
Atin yun.
One,
Dami yung napatay, galing.
Gago.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Kalahating party yun ah.
Ano yun?
Baka sa ano yan, sabong? Tangan lang yan.
Saan tayo ng mga sabong?
Let him rigger.
Let them trigger eh.
Di na nila na-anticipate yun kasi may nag-taper.
Parang nabawasan tayo.
Putik na yan.
Yung isa hindi pa niya
Diba?
Damn, he killed that. What?
Merkat pala to eh.
9.
Nanahimik Merkat. Naubos sila.
Nakala ko Pierce yung kalaban.
Kailangan mo naman yung
Hindi, Merkat. Ganda, sarap ng engage nun. Nakita niya ba?
Saan? Sa bandang
Malayo yung screen ko.
Yo, listen.
Hindi, yun, nasa may dulo. Okay, di ko nakita yung engage ng kalaban.
Everyone, gate 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate. Come back fast.
Sabihan ko kaya kung looking sila. Para makaready kayo.
Oo, para may info kami.
Cooldown guard rune ko.
Kasi ang mga tingin lang talaga dyan yung ano eh. Mga incubus, drak, or kung may tank man tayo dito
Hindi, nasa taas ako eh.
sa atin.
But just be careful. Maybe a melee, not sure. They're 19%. Maybe one engage. Yeah, let them smash gate.
Kaya kita yung silence.
Inching sila, inching ah.
Yeah, listen, you guys be more reactive. I'm not gonna call defensives. You guys react on your own. You hear me?
Inching.
Supports. You hear me, tanks? I'm not gonna call defensives. You guys react on your own. Even my DPS and healers,
Demon
you
one,
guys
ah.
react on your
Yan.
own. Watch out
Pwede lang
for
yung demon niya.
playing.
Alam. Hintay sila ng ano, ng headbutt.
Eh, kayo ba? Sa TeamSpeak kayo, dapat kinukol nyo eh.
Kinukol ko palagi yun.
And you know, I want my tanks to be the one calling it. I want my tanks to be the one calling it, engaging, not me.
Lo, patay.
I'm just gonna say if they're looking.
Si Chrono ng energy shaper sa taso.
Inching nga, inching.
Break na ba? Na-break na? Di ba?
Break na yung door.
Break na.
Okay.
Ready ah,
Get
ready.
ready?
Pasabi kapag engaging sila.
Wala, pinupul nila
May negate
tayo.
sila sa southwest.
Okay, just come back inside. Something like a
Gunker na nakaski. Gagi.
Yeah, just stepping up again. Careful. There's too many on
Stepping
the
up.
gate.
Kumukuha pa ng ano. May hinihintay siguro to mga to.
Parang eh.
Baka yung na-delete kanina.
They're looking.
Looking
Matay ka dyan.
Hindi pa.
Yo, listen, very shallow. Fast engage shallow. Wait. Wait, chill. Sabi ko wait eh.
Okay nga, sa shallow tanks.
Yo, shallow. Get ready. Shallow southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow southeast.
Ready for headbutt?
Come back. Yo, heal up.
Defensive!
Heal up.
to ah,
Good
ready.
demon.
Kayo na, kayo na ready
They
ah.
engaging, they
Oh,
engaging.
toasted na yung Demon 1.
Feelings eh.
Hold down demon ko.
Hilap. Did someone die there?
Si Riddle, I
Demon
was Demon
2,
2.
cool down na.
Pero may napatay.
Cool down na, Demon 2.
Who's this? Oh, Discord.
Silang hold
Alex,
na.
sabay ba tayo?
Demon
Naging
One.
game.
You see right?
Nagkano sila?
You see right? Every time we engage shallow, there's a backline that's...
Ayan, si okay na.
Okay, oh, Demon 1 ah, ready na ulit.
Who's gonna...
Demon 1 muna
Who's
ulit.
gonna disengage for the
Ayun,
meter.
long church.
Right? Every time I engage, right? You just wait a bit, wait like a split second, then you jump in the backline, drop heal another whatever, right? Just disengage. No, you understand? Again, get ready. Again, get ready. Shallow 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow.
Ready Demon 1, ready Demon 1 ah.
Mag-headbutt yan.
Demon 1 now, Demon 1 now.
Help my front line. Heal up my front line.
Talk mo na delete.
Good. Heal up my front line. My front line needs heal. But good job. Okay, just like
Demon
that.
to,
See,
Demon
my
to,
front line
ready.
survives.
Okay.
Heal niyo.
Cool down na yung Demon 1 ah.
Nandun ako sa
Resetting.
Nag-guard ako eh.
Yeah, just like that, right?
Okay din.
We take lesser
At
damage.
least after na engage, pag bumabalik
Some people able
sila.
to come back. But we need to work on the going back really much faster. So every time we engage, the tanks are gonna try to CC inside the engage to make sure I have some rotation of classes there.
Hold down cartoon.
And still have tanks stealing. Careful on that jug, okay?
They're inching up. Okay nga to si Baragi sa akin.
Wala silang bomb, no?
Di ko alam
Wala,
eh.
wala.
Dami natin dito sa
Careful.
east side.
Mamaya pala, may magpicture sa PTV ah.
Jikash, ingat ah. Baka ikaw yung tingnan yan.
Paano na lang?
Hingiin ni
Sino
Godo.
pwede dyan? Yung naka-PC.
Ay, listen. Nothing happening. Yo, listen, can I have some DPS on the southwest side? Like, party 2 DPS go southwest side there and hide there first. Everybody come in north.
Wala lang root ba, no?
Come back.
Hindi yung gusto yun.
Some tanks also on the southwest gate. please.
Punta na north.
Some tanks also on the southwest gate. We split the
Atin na to, tong castle. 4 minutes. Hindi na nila kaya yan. Huwag lang tayo madidilt ng isang engage.
Inching.
Who's getting engaged? The guards? Yeah, the Dochi, why is my root bound?
Nakapanalo din ang Purple Castle.
Karoon the first time.
Puta ka,
Like, you should be on Q3
mula pa kahapon, tsaka
Can you not-
kanina mga mas,
Can you not
talo
use the
lagi.
W2 instead? Use a different one.
Patalo kayo kanina?
Southwest.
Oo, yung mas
Ano yun?
ni Dandy
Rotating southwest.
versus Pierce.
I'm on top. Let me check. They're walking. They're just.
Blue, panalo. Nakuha.
Get ready to
Pero-
engage south side. Get ready to...
Talo sa patayan.
Get ready?
Block mo rest day ah. They're southwest now.
Dami nag-guard ko, no? Sino kaya? Galit kayo.
One screen away from me.
Southside shallow. Get ready, southside shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready, Demon 1 ah. Ready.
Careful, they're countering.
Demon 1.
Heal up.
Demon 1, Demon 1.
1 person died. Heal up.
Nag-demon na ako. Parang sakit ang damage
Demon 2
nila.
ah. Pa-cover. Demon 2.
2 people dead.
Demon.
Yo,
Wala.
work on the defenses more.
Okay na.
Please.
Nakakairita yung
Stopping
silence.
More of their DPS.
Yung mga exalted dito na rin sa atin sa support PTB.
Ewan ko lang.
Magalit ata. Wala naman na dead sa atin,
Yo,
no?
listen, step up.
Sa
I'm faking
ano?
only. Step up. I'm faking.
Wala.
Yo, get ready. Oh, nani? Yung mali ka look at west side, okay? West side, get ready. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Come back.
Ready, Demon 1.
Yo, they're gonna engage on the gate. Ready?
Demon 1
Give me
now.
defenses on the gate.
Demon 1.
Heal up my front line. Heal up my DPS in the front.
Nice. Wala.
Go back tang.
Resetting. Meron pang Demon to, no?
Meron pa.
What's up, blob on the southeast, by the way? What the fuck?
5 seconds ang Demon 1.
That's a tier.
Meron.
One.
Oh, meron na ulit.
Just be careful.
Ready, Demon 1.
We might get ratted from behind.
Gates broken.
Yeah, listen, gate is about to not yet. Heal up.
Okay, nice.
Ulit ako dun, ha.
On the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Come back.
Demon 1, ready?
Okay, wala.
Ah, okay, wala naman.
Ba't ako nadidelete pala ako agad? Tapos tayo hindi natin nadidelete si Baragi agad.
Hindi namamatay sa kanila.
No? Wala rin.
No more clock keep si Baragi. Careful, engaging.
Fake.
Yeah, listen, gate about
Ready,
to
ah.
Careful.
Demon 1 na ready.
50%.
Heal up frontline.
Uy, Demon 1. Nice.
Yo, listen, only third
Demon
party.
1 cooldown.
The crowd,
Ready,
5,
Demon 2, ah.
3,
Demon 2 kayo
1,
na.
third party only. Oh, no. Everyone, get ready. Look at the gate. Everyone on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sige na ako, ah.
Demon 2.
Come back.
Careful, they counter.
No. They don't have engage yet. They about to engage. They're engaging now.
Cooldown pa Demon 1, ah.
Demon 1 ready.
Ayun.
Ready na. Na-GA kami, na-GA. Wala ka naman nadeded sa atin, no?
Rono, can you open?
Wala na huli. Parehas lang.
Walang bomb eh.
Aray
Actually,
ko.
no, just don't open it yet.
Ibang kwento pag may bomb.
Don't
Oo.
open the chest first.
They stacking.
25% on the gate.
20% lang.
Yo, not
Boom.
Baragi. Okay. Yo, listen, 20% on the gate. 20% on the
Okay,
gate. Everyone, headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
Demon 1. Okay.
Cleanse fast. But why do I have 2 demons there?
CD Demon 1, ah.
2 demons pop.
Ano daw?
Enemy wasn't doing anything. Yo, listen, tanks, you don't watch the choke, okay? They can engage anytime very deep. So listen, the defenses just wake up and ready to defend the
Headbutt eh, kaya napadalawa eh.
Not all in the middle.
5%,
You guys can cover more, okay?
5%.
Ready defenses, just wake up, boys. Careful shadow.
Kailangan talaga mag-check na yung movie dito.
Demon. Fake lang.
Yo, listen, careful on
My bad. Ready? Demon 2 pa cover. Demon 2. CD yung sa akin, sa Demon 1.
What the fuck is Royal even doing?
Looking. Coming. Maganda.
Nakuha na ba yung points? Hindi pa kinubusan yung chest.
Wala pa ata nagbubukas.
Careful.
The jug is located. Defend out.
Demon.
Everyone heal up.
Nakapag-demon ako.
Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now.
Silence kami sa loob.
Heal up pass.
Cleanse. They will engage.
Resetting.
Ayun.
Demon 1 ready.
Nag-boots ako sa kalaban.
May namatay din? Patay yung root ball nila.
Muntik na ako.
Hindi ko nakita. Si CJ naman, si Cyrus saka si Dodge.
Left ko yung naboots ko yung... Ayun na.
Ready ulit, Demon
Listen,
1.
ready your potions for the next engage. Potion now. Step up. Pila.
Demon 1.
Get out of castle.
Ready, Demon 2.
Pila. Give me fakes now.
Demon ako.
Get ready. Look at me. West side of me. Get ready. On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Nice. Now spread outside. Listen, spread outside. Spread away from Baragi. Spread outside.
Labas kayo.
Careful on the gate. Defend on the gate.
Wait lang, kinakant kami sa likod.
Oh, reactive. Demon 1.
Cleanse that.
Sa likod.
Engage.
Demon 1 ready.
Oh my God, guys.
Demon 1. Ito,
Find me now.
kaya
Ready.
ano.
7 seconds, we're gonna engage, okay? Find the ground. Can I get CCs inside now? CCs inside now.
Ready, Demon 2.
Everything 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything count now. More damage. Spread. Again, spread.
Nice.
Spread more.
Kung may reactive Demon pa, kayo na mag-cover. CD yung sa Demon 1.
Be careful. You're gonna look soon.
Sige ako.
Ready. Guardian armor. Pop, ready, defend.
Ay, undead.
I'm gonna fake now. Okay, I'm be the fake. Step up. West side. I'm faking. Get ready. Oh, I'm faking. Why get ready? On me. Get ready. West side on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. The damage is very, very
Some
strong.
heals.
Why do I have a 1 DPS on the northeast not engaging?
Looking engage Baragi.
Baragi looking. Listen, Baragi looking. Careful northeast. Ready, defend northeast now.
Wala na
Why you guys
akong
clumping up
mana.
northeast? Bila. Why you guys clumping up there, man?
Ah, I'm dead.
So much
dead.
space and
Oh,
south side.
You just play cast.
Yo, again, get ready.
Man, may
West
demon
side.
pa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ako okay na lang, demon 1 if there's someone still alive there.
Now spread. We're only killing one every time. Spread.
Grabe,
Careful,
puro red na yung nakikita ko. Wala na akong green.
Baragi looking.
Oo nga eh.
Baragi looking. Defense out. Fake.
Wala nag-open ng chest.
Careful east side. He's looking east side. Pila. Maria, push on west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now.
Demon. Hindi mo na ako kay Mugi.
Kill this guy inside.
Wala akong mana.
Trigger fast.
Pukpo ka muna sa ano.
Spread more. Spread away from the crowd.
Pasok mo lang ako kasi wala akong mana.
We have same cooldowns. They're gonna engage in 5 seconds. Get ready.
Kunin mo na kaya yung chest. Open mo lang sa point. Set bang ano nito? Kung sino manalo sa cassette fight, sila kukuha.
Oh, Lord.
Open natin.
Ready. Hold.
Na-open na ba?
On me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Head button me now. Big engage. Full also. He's gonna counter engage. Stop it. Nice. Heal up inside.
Parang hindi pa.
They still have engage.
Wala akong mana.
They still have engage. Careful. They still have engage. GG. Come back. GG. Come back.
GG na daw.
Nice.
Panalo na tayo.
Sumuko sila eh.
Pucha, na-delete pa kami doon.
Patay kayo?
Nanlilimos ako ng hill doon sa pa-west side eh.
Like the first time we went
Paikot ako hanggang north.
right,
Eh,
we going outside,
parehas
because
akong ano,
it's
yung
not, like,
guhit na lang yung
inside the
buhay.
castle, and instead more in the open world. Again,
Ay,
get
hindi
it
pa pala
from your
na-open.
big on the northeast side
Yung
there.
kanina, ang daming